Hello, so I'm going to show you really quickly how to use Action Director to create your videos. Okay, so we're going to hit on Edit. I'm going to type in Mute Mic, mic as my title. The first option is for long videos like on laptops, the second one is for vertical videos like on phones, and the last one is for videos that maybe would go onto Instagram. Okay, so I'm going to click on the long one. I'm going to click this button here. We want to put that one in. We also want to include this video in twice, so we're going to put that in. Okay, so I'm now going to take the first image, move it to the front. I'm then going to put a fade on each image and video. Then for the first one, I'm going to click pan and zoom. In position, let's zoom in on the title and on me, there we go. And then all I'm going to do is hit the tick to save that setting. Then I am going to click on the video. I'm going to double check that the video doesn't start and end with big pauses, so I'm going to just listen. Ah, perfect, so it's a silent one. There's me informing everyone how to mute their mic. Okay, so that's absolutely fine. So we don't have to edit that one. If we did want to, all you have to do is drag from the bottom left and the bottom right as well. So we can just save that. On the far right one, because I'm making this video for YouTube, at the end of my videos I like to put in a wee chance for people to subscribe and follow another link. So I am going to click on the last image, I'm going to click edit, and I'm going to increase that to 6 seconds and then save that. I'm then going to add in some background music. I've got one already downloaded, it is this one. And I'm going to change the background. I like to put it at 1 or 2, depending on how loudly I am talking in the video. And I'm just going to hit save. So now when I go back to the start, we should have music in the background. Okay, now because this is a silent video, I might want to change the music in the background to 100. But if that was a video where I'm talking, I would put the background music as 1 or 2. Okay, so let's try that again. Okay, perfect. So lastly, what we're going to do is, we've got this Action Director watermark here. I'm just going to click on the X, and it asks you if you want to upgrade and offers the price. So within that you get Ultra HD, you get the removal of the watermark, no more adverts, and you get a load of premium content as well. So I'm going to say no by clicking on the X, and then it offers me to watch an advert to get the exact same deal. So I'm going to click watch the ad. Okay, now that that's done, I'm just going to hit X, and you'll notice that the watermark has gone. Okay, then I'm going to hit produce, and I'm going to put it up to Ultra HD 4K, more settings, I want it to be better quality, 60 frames per second, that is fine, just move me over a wee bit, put me back, and the same again. It's going to ask me if I want to start paying, hit no, watch the advert. Okay, perfect, that one's done. I have to move me again, come off of that, and it will start producing my movie. And then once we are done, it will show me an option to play the movie, just hit OK, or to see the file as well. So that's that finished. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you could hit the like button, I'd really appreciate it. Comment below if you think you've got an idea of the video that you would maybe use for Action Director, or give me an idea of a different video editing software that you use. So So that's that finished. Perfect. Oh, so it's play, okay, and share, so you can share it as well. I'm just going to hit OK just now and take me back to home. So yeah, if you could like, comment and subscribe as well, I'd really appreciate it. Cheers. Thank you.